everybody, this is Robin Moses and I'm here with the doctor.
What up, Bridges?
We're going to do an animal print French manicure.
Well, rawr.
So, I just made that up on the spot. And I have Toiletries scarves and boots, which is a beautiful tan color. And I'm going to boom, boom, like this. I'm going to just do a little tiny French manicure that's all jaggedy on the ends like this. And hopefully when I'm finished, it's going to look like, kind of like pebbles, like a Flintstones retro look.
Ooh,
you know what I'm talking about?
I like Pebbles and Bam Bam.
I know. So we're going to start that and I'll meet you back. All right, take two.
Woohoo.
So I'm going to use a light tan color mixed with brown and white. And I'm going to go like this and just make little dots using the side. Now with black, I'm going to go and take this and touch in like this. Dot, dot. And I want to do like little C's like this and little C's like this. And then dot, dot. And make it look like animal print. And what okay, so the whole time I'm doing this, I'm thinking in my head, Flintstones, meet the Flintstones. Okay, so family from the town of Bedrock. They're a place out of history. Wilma's outfit.
Wilma.
Yeah, so I kind of want Wilma's outfit. I'm going to finish this out. Alright, so I have some red paint out, and I'm going in like this, boom, 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 and I'm going to make some red lips up into the French manicure area, like that, and then along the edge, I'm going to make it look as though I have the French manicure outlined with lipstick. And the lipstick is going to be all juicy and dripping down like in the Kylie lip kits. Now I've seen on Facebook, well, I forget, Instagram, a bunch of lips that have like a Kylie lip kit on it. And I guess they drip. Is that true, doctor?
I don't know who Kylie or Lip.
Oh, okay, sorry. Well, they look like this, and they look like drippy.
I'm sure my daughter would know.
Yeah, so she's going to love these. She's going to be jealous. So, there's that. So you just make it drip down. I don't want to do it exactly like the lip kit because I saw it, and it doesn't translate well. It looks like they look weird when you do it, to me. Like, I've seen it a few times, and it looks like the mouth is drooling. I don't know how to explain it. It doesn't look like the lipstick, and that's only because the lips are so tiny. It's very hard to make it look like it's supposed to look like from far away. So I have to really look up close. I always look at the nail far away and make sure it translates. So I'm going in with the lipstick like that. Putting some here's how I did the other one. So the other one is near the line of the French manicure. That way, if I want to make it look like it's dripping down, I can have a little bit drip down, and then it looks like it's dripping, and it still is in the same area as the lips on the lip kit, but it's not exactly that same exact logo, because if you do the same exact logo, it doesn't translate onto nails very well. You have to have big nails. None of my clients have big nails. They all have medium to small nails, and that is probably something that I think I might want to change in the new year. Is I want to get at least one client with regular size nails, or at least big nails, so you guys can see the difference between painting big nails and little. It's so, my goal when I first started was to not try and look like I'm showing off. I don't want to show off ever. I just want to teach. If I wanted to show off, I would have entered all my Nails and Nails magazine. I would have, done a lot more interviews with the magazines and been, more in LA and more in Las Vegas and working on celebrities more. But I like teaching. That's where my heart is. My heart's in teaching. So it's the harder road, definitely. It's the one with less money, definitely. And it's the one that probably you know, it hurts my heart more. But at the end of the day, when I teach somebody that's really learning and I get that back to me, that's my reward. And that is better than anything that I can tell you guys, for me personally. So for the lip kit stuff, I try not and just copy what is popular. I try and teach what is, it makes more sense and is easier for you guys. So I hope that helps. I never said that before really on film. Weird.
Well said.
Thank you. You brought it to me. You brought it out of me with your deliciousness.
I tried.
So I added a little bit of white to that while I was talking. And now, if you put the pink over the top of it, do you see how it still looks red? That's pink, but it looks red because it looks like the highlight of red. So that's what you always want to think about, is that it translates as red, even though we all know, look, right here, it's pink. So if I wanted to do a red flower and use that, it's not going to look like a red flower. Okay, so here is the end result, and these are highly reflective, so I'll just kind of move them around and get some light on them. Okay, so these are fun. I put some sparkling water by Twyla True on the ends of them, just a hollow glitter, and then you can see where the top coat, where I've topped it with a little bit of pink around on the lipstick area, and you'll see like how cute these are. They match with everything. They go with everything. They're sexy. They're lovely. They're for short nails, and I hope you like them and you try them. If you do, show me at Robin Moses Nail Art on Instagram. And if you want me to paint something that you've seen or that you've done and that you want to see it on film the way that I do it, hashtag paint me Robin Moses, and I'll look them over and I will take requests. So, but I can't take requests on things that are stolen or things that are copyrighted. So just things that you know that you've created yourself. If you see right here, you'll have the animal print playlist right here, and you can subscribe to me right here, and I will see you back with more.
Have a good day, Britches.
Thanks, Britches. Bye.
Bye.
Can you play me an exit? Woo.
Yep. Bye.